Recently, the ionosphere has been unusually active in parts of the south, making the measurement inaccurate. In this case, the job can be suspended. Of course, you can also use our super base station senior collocation mobile station. This can not only effectively improve the anti-interference ability, it also ensures the stability of the operation. Then next, so let me just show you how this works. First, set up the total station tripod. This 30cm connecting rod is not only a connecting component. Built-in 6800 mAh battery can provide a stable power supply. Then, the main plate is fixed on the gasket and the smart pole. Make sure the connection is solid. The main engine is equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery. Ensure that long working hours are not limited by electricity. The antenna must face up when installing it. By the way, the Link protocol has been upgraded to the Link Pro protocol. No protocol performance improvements. Finally, connect the power cable. Insert the smart battery rod and the hose separately. Red terminal access host. Black end access battery stick. At this point, the senior installation of the Super Base Station is complete. First will be Super Base Station. Open the Smart Edition of Project Star. Please set up the data link. Click the instrument connection in the lower left corner. Find our corresponding Mark 5893. Bluetooth connection successful. OK, the connection is complete. We click on the instrument settings in the lower right corner. Select the base station. Please set up the data link for the reference station. Click on the data link. Select built-in radio. Channel settings. Here, one can choose any one. For example, I choose 5. Base station started successfully. Then choose high power gear. Protocol selection for Link Pro. OK, so our base station has been set up. We go back to disconnecting Bluetooth. Then turn on our mobile station. Please set up the data link for the reference station. Similarly, we found the corresponding machine number 0978. Click to connect. Same click instrument settings. Select a mobile station. Please set up the data link for the mobile station. Data link select built-in radio. Mobile in-app radio mode. Channel settings. This is just in alignment with our base station. It was just 2, so we choose 2. The power gear is the same. High-end protocols are also for Link Pro. Back again. OK, it's already fixed at this time.